Scaling a business to $1 million in 2025 is achievable with the right strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you reach the $1 million milestone. Before scaling, ensure your business model is scalable. Consider options like e-commerce, subscription models, digital products, and affiliate marketing. Digital marketing is key to scaling. Use targeted advertising, content marketing, SEO, email marketing, and social media to attract customers. As your business grows, focus on efficiency by automating processes and outsourcing tasks to experts. Customer retention is crucial. Offer excellent support, implement loyalty programs, and personalize experiences. Efficient operations are essential to handle increased demand. Optimize your supply chain, expand product lines, and manage finances actively. Scaling requires continuous optimization. Use analytics tools and A/B testing for informed decisions. Once established, diversify your income streams by exploring new selling channels, licensing, and offering B2B solutions. Scaling to $1 million in 2025 requires a scalable business model and customer loyalty. Stay committed to reach your $1 million goal.